Are you thinking about upgrading your PC to Windows 11 in 2026, but aren't sure if it's really worth it? You're not alone. With new features, evolving system requirements, and improved performance, deciding whether to upgrade can be confusing. Today, we'll break down the key reasons for and against upgrading so you can make the right choice this year. First, let's talk about security and support. Windows 11 receives regular updates, security patches, and feature improvements that help protect your computer from vulnerabilities and keep it running smoothly. In contrast, older versions of Windows eventually lose mainstream support, which means fewer updates and higher risk from new threats. If keeping your PC secure is a priority, upgrading to Windows 11 in 2026 makes a lot of sense. Next, consider performance and optimization. Windows 11 was built to take advantage of modern hardware, fast SSDs, multi-core CPUs, and larger memory configurations. On compatible systems, it can feel noticeably faster and more responsive than older versions. Features like improved window management, virtual desktops, and better integration with modern apps help boost productivity. If your hardware supports it, Windows 11 can feel like a smoother, more refined experience. But there are reasons you might want to wait or hold off. One common concern is compatibility with older software or hardware. Some legacy programs or peripherals may not work perfectly on Windows 11 right away. If you rely on specific tools or devices that are critical to your workflow, you'll want to make sure they're fully supported before upgrading. Waiting for further compatibility updates can save headaches. Another consideration is learning new features and changes. While Windows 11 brings design enhancements and improvements, it also introduces changes to menus, settings, and workflows that can feel unfamiliar if you're coming from an older version. If you prefer a setup that just works the way you're used to, it might be worth prepping first and upgrading when you feel more ready. Cost is also a factor. If your PC meets the upgrade requirements, the move to Windows 11 is usually free. However, older devices might not qualify, and forcing an upgrade can lead to instability or performance issues. In that case, saving up for a compatible system or waiting for future updates can be a smarter choice. So, should you upgrade to Windows 11 in 2026? If your PC is compatible, you value security, and you want modern features and performance, the upgrade is worth it. But if you rely on older software or hardware that isn't fully supported yet, or you prefer to wait for further refinement, it's okay to hold off a little longer. If this video helped you decide, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tech guides and upgrade tips in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.